This was addition of HX to the alkene. So in the first step, what will happen is there is an attack of electrophile, which is here H plus. Okay, and you will get another is secondary. Okay, now since secondary carbocation is more stable, so hence you will get this as the major product. Fine. Now there is one rule here. On the basis of this mechanism, there is one rule which plays here. What is that rule?
Ma'am, Markovnikov rule.
Markovnikov rule.
Yes.
Yes, I wanted this. Nobody told me. Okay, Markovnikov's rule. Okay, now what is Markovnikov's rule? Hydrogen goes to that olefinic carbon atom. This is the olefinic carbon atom. So hydrogen goes to that olefinic carbon atom, which is having more number of hydrogen. Fine. So so if we see the product HX, so hydrogen goes here. So among two, which is having more hydrogen? This one. Okay. So hydrogen goes here and X goes here. So that is what is Markovnikov's rule. And you may note down also, if we have HX, so this is minus and this is positive. So this is like more electropositive part goes to that olefinic carbon atom which is having more number of hydrogen. And Markovnikov's rule, no more. Hydrogen goes where there is more number of hydrogen. Please make it a point.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, hydrogen goes where there is more number of hydrogen. Okay, and that is what is now don't forget this. Okay, even I studied everything and in detail. Now I am teaching. I am a teacher of organic chemistry only because of these concepts which are there in my mind. Okay, so hydrogen will go where there is more number of hydrogen. Fine, and this is Markovnikov's rule. But this Markovnikov's rule has not come as a whole. Okay, this rule is played to get a more stabler carbocation. Okay, so crux of this mechanism is to get the more stable carbocation, because sometimes what happens is there is sometimes it is asked, suppose you have HOCl. Now here what is the negative and what is the positive part? This is negative and this is
OCl
positive. No, this is like this, OH and Cl plus. Okay, and if you have ICl, then I plus and Cl minus, and same type of reaction, CH double bond CH2, and this may be asked in the exam also. So what will be the product? I told you more electropositive will go where there is a more number of hydrogen. Fine. So what will happen? Tell me, class.
मैम क्लोरीन साइड में अटैच होगा.
Fine. And we have, if we have ICl, then R H CH2 I and CHCl. So these are some questions from this point. Fine. Now suppose this was the example. Okay, this type of example. Now we have alkene. This is second. Okay. CH double bond CH2. We are adding HX, especially HBr, and we have added H2O2 or R CO O O CO R. Okay. So
Anti-Markovnikov rule, ma'am. It will be applied.
okay, who said this?
Harshvardhan, ma'am.
Okay, Harshvardhan. Okay. So suppose this is like this. Okay. Now we can write on CO R CO O twice O, like this something. So yeah, there is one O also here, 3O. So what will be the product? Fine. R C H 2 CH2 Br. Now question is why? And this is known as anti-Markovnikov. So here more electropositive part goes to that carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. So this hydrogen, this blue hydrogen is coming here. Okay, one hydrogen is coming here. So why and how?
मैम फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म होता है इसका.
Ma'am, first we'll have a homolytic cleavage, then we'll have formation of free radical, and then it'll be the removal of CO2 gas because it's the best leaving group. And then in the step 4 we'll have formation of C6H5 whole twice free radical. And then in step 5 we'll have addition of 2 HBr to C6H5 whole twice free radical. And then in step 6 finally we'll have the addition of Br free radical to propene or the group which has two.
Step 6, can you share?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever you are speaking, can you share that?
Ma'am, it's my notes actually. I don't have it on my mobile, so it's in my notes.
No, suppose can you share whatever you are speaking?
Like verbally?
See, I have taken this.
Okay, so ma'am, in
No
first step.
issues. You can share. You can share. I
Okay,
will
ma'am.
stop sharing. You can share, or you can
afterwards. Yeah.
just no, not verbal. Okay, that. So suppose this is cleaved. Okay, so this is homolytic in the presence of H mu. So you will get RCO O dot. Okay. Then this RCO O dot will combine HBr, giving RCO O H and Br dot. Then R CH2 double bond, sorry, not CH2, RCH, CH2, and we can get RCH, Br, CH2 dot, or R CH dot CH2 Br. ठीक है क्लास, is it clear? And this is secondary radical. Okay, so this is primary radical and this is secondary radical. Which radical is more stable and why? क्या हुआ? Anji, class, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me why this particular reaction goes anti-Marconi. See, I am proving it can be asked. Okay, why this particular reaction undergoes anti-Marconi-Cope's rule. Okay, Manishendu has already answered. Okay, and Harshvardhan has also told us something. So just see the reaction. ध्यान से देखिए आप लोग रिएक्शन को. अगर मैंने स्टार्ट ही किया है, so this person, see what I did. I took the organic peroxide. Instead of this, I could have taken this also, H2O2, which is HOOH. Okay, so this is also cleaved like this, and you will get HO dot. And then HO dot can react with HBr. So see, there is a radical formation, and this radical formation so class, is it clear? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is primary radical and this is secondary. Now you may ask why this is a major product. And this is minor. Tell me, fast.
Ma'am, secondary radical is more stable because it can delocalize to other carbon atoms.
And ma'am, we also have more number of alpha hydrogen, so that they can donate more electrons to the free radical group. And for the 1 degree, we have CH, which can donate less electrons to the free radical group.
See, there is a confusion. There always occurs a confusion. Yes, there always occurs one confusion. That is a confusion. That is, it is a dot electron, and if we impart more electron, it will get destabilized. Isn't it, class? तभी आप सोच रहे हैं कि सेकेंडरी रेडिकल कैसे ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा. ठीक है, तो मैं लेट मी टेल यू, secondary radical has an incomplete octet of electron, so it will try to seek the electrons. So more is the number of methyl group, okay, apart, so more is hyperconjugative structure or more is the inductive effect, more stabler will be the radical. Okay, so secondary radical is more stable as compared to primary. Class, is it clear now? Secondary radical is more stable as compared to the primary radical. Reason is more number of hyperconjugative structure, more number of methyl groups, okay, more number of inductive effect will release the electron density towards the radical, and which will try to stabilize that unpaired electron. Fine. So that's why secondary radical is more stable, and hence this particular reaction undergoes anti-Markovnikov's addition. So also why addition of HBr, you can question, there can be a question, you can note down the question also, why addition of HBr in the presence of peroxide, why addition of HBr in the presence of peroxide undergoes anti-Markovnikov's addition. And under the presence of peroxide undergoes anti-Markovnikov's addition. Anti-Markovnikov's addition. Now third, addition of bromine, or you may note down trans addition of bromine. अभी मैं आपको क्वेश्चन देने वाली हूँ उसके बाद. If we have this, okay, so we are bound to get CH, Br, CH2, Br. Okay. But there is a difference. What is that? So there is a trans addition. Mechanism. So there is a trans addition. That is there. Okay. Why this happens? This Br2 will give you Br plus and Br minus. Now since Br Cl2, now Br has a D block it has D orbitals also. So and the size is also larger. So this can form. You may ask कि मैम ऐसे भी है ये इस तरीके से आपका ये bridged thing is formed. And then since the bridge, of course, the Br minus will attack at the anti side of where the Br plus is formed. That's why this reaction is known as trans addition. Now what will happen? See. Let me give you one example और आप लोग मुझे जल्दी से आप चैट बॉक्स में आंसर्स लिखेंगे, ठीक है? तो this pen tab is disturbing me. Fine. Okay. So if I give you this example, who answers CH CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HCl. Okay, you need to make the major and minor product both. Then let me give one more example. Class, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. HCl. Sorry, you need to complete this. Now, if we have CH2 double bond CH and CN, and then HCl is added, what is the product? In the presence of 10% H2SO4 and heat.